Ciao from Italy. This is Joshua from True Nature here in the Dolomites in San Vigilio, and just wanted to reach out and share the beauty with all of you. And yeah, today reminded of the power of the mountains. I've spent a lot of my life in the mountains, in the Sierra Nevadas, and where True Nature is based in the Appalachian Mountains. But these mountains here in the Dolomites are quite powerful, and just want to share this with you, and hope we can welcome you here. We're having a mountain biking trip here with Ladies All Ride this summer, and more trips to come, and hope you can come experience the beauty sometime soon. And wishing you all well. Ciao.